In this video we gonna exploring how to autocomplete text form field. For that purpose we have created a simple application with a text field having the list of countries, and as I type there, suppose I want to search India, it will give the results as India and Indonesia, comparing with I and D. If I select one of them, it prints in the console, as well as if I try to find one which is not existing, then it gives me no items found. So we gonna exploring exact same thing, how to build it, how you can build it. So for that purpose we need a package from pub.dev, which is Flutter type ahead 3.13, which currently supports null safety as well. So in your pubspec.yaml file, just go and add Flutter type ahead. Okay, so coming to our application, I have imported Flutter type ahead / Flutter type ahead .dart. Thereafter we have typical run app method with our my app class, which calls my home page. Okay, so our my home page class contains a build of app bar, as well as center widget having a country picker. So let me jump to our country picker, which we have want to look at. So here basically what you can see is we have a country list, like we have some names of our countries, and I have a variable called form key, which we typically use in as a form widget, a key which is a global key having a type of form state. Okay, thereafter we have a text editing controller. Coming to our build method, countries as a text, so we have this text, and thereafter we have a widget which is a form type. So in this form, we, as you can see, we have given a parameter with a form key to key. Thereafter we have a type ahead form field. What it gives, we usually use text form field or text field, but we are using a type ahead form field, which have basically few modifications over the text field and text form field, which gives a suggestions callback. What do you mean by suggestion callback? Suggestion callback is nothing but the type, whatever I type here, it gives me the values in a pattern. So what we did is we gone through our country list for an each element which is in the item. So our one country come in item, and we converted it to a lowercase for comparing to our pattern, which is given by our suggestion callback, to lowercase. If that contains it, then this returns it in a where. So where is a iterable of a string, which gives basically a list of country list to our suggestion callback. Thereafter it goes to the item builder. What item builder does is it have a build context and a string. String means it gives the one by one values of items to be built. Like on this, it gives this value and this value. Thereafter we have converted it to a list tile widget with a title of that items. Cool. So we got our item builder. Thereafter, if I select one of them, it prints the value. So that value is printed by on suggestion selected. It gives us a value and we are printing it. As well as for a text editing controller, on text we are setting it to that value which we have selected. Thereafter we have some things as a get immediate suggestions, which is we have set to true, so we want suggestions immediately. As well as we have hide on empty, which is false. What do we mean by that? If I try to, as you can see, we get a no item found. If I set it to true, so what basically it does is hides that widget. If I try to something which is not found, then there is a no suggestion here that no item is found. So I'll let it set to false one so that we get that builder. So thereafter for customization, we have no items found builder. If there is no item found, then this widget is shown. What is this widget is? This is a text with a padding of every side is 8 pixels and it gives a no item found as a text, as you can see here. Cool. So what about those other modifications we usually do in our text field? So it's all valid in this also. As you can see, we have written a hint text of type your text here. So where should I write it? So for that purpose, we have a text field configuration, which takes a argument of a text field configuration, and for that we have a decoration property, which is usually our input decoration. So I have set it to a hint text, as well as we want a border, you can set to a outline border, as well as we have a bunch of all the things which we usually do in our text field or a text form field. Okay, thereafter we can also set a controller here, which I have set to a text editing controller. That's pretty much about text field auto completion, and which is achieved by type ahead form field. Go and check out this page and hit the like button if you like this package. Kudos to the creator. Consider subscribing my channel